Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant code 29. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do, first click here and then type background apps, and after that, once you're here, make sure to disable all those background applications just by turning off the first option. And now click here and type services, and after that scroll down until you find here services that starts with V, and here we'll find VGC. Right click on it, properties, and then make it automatic and click start. That's it. Now just click apply and close it, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.